I cannot. Last time I told you.
They people have phobia. You come from here.
I like violet.
Yes. I still have the energy. Standard. Yeah. You put them aside. When you get the cavera. Oh, the cavera, you can leave it on the floor where you plant.
Gavumenti bweyongeramu nnyo ku maanyi mu enforcement tusuubira nti ffenna tuba tukwasisa wamu kubanga ne bino byonna bye tukola nga rotary tugezaako kukwasizaako wamu gavumenti kubanga gavumenti erina campaign nti no we are running out of trees mu lufuutifuuti so ye kawefube y'omu tugezaako okusimba miliyoni 4 egy'emiti so bino byonna bye tukola tugezaako kutuukiriza bigendererwa byaki bya gavumenti ate nga nayo rotary esoosowaza okukuma obutonde kubanga ye 7 area of focus era eri ku environmental protection ate tolina bw'okyawula ne ku rotary areas focus endala kubanga bwe tuba tugambye nti eya peace and conflict resolution either bw'otakuuma butonde kireetera ki obutabanguko tutunuulidde mu byenfuna economic development katugeze abantu bwe balima emiti bafunamu ekigulira magalo ki eddiba bwe tuba twagala okusomesa abaana kisobola okukola ki nakyo okutuyamba mu ngeri emu oba endala ate n'abaana bwe bava buto nga bayina ekyo kye tuyita environment education be basaale abagenda okutuyamba okutwala omulamwa guno rotary saawa eno gyeriko.
Deforestation has really brought a lot of challenges in the country. We pray that the government takes up the initiative of empowering every Ugandan to at least plant a tree every month. Because you find that the Mother Earth has suffered the effects of humanity, people reclaiming land to access space for homesteads. We ask government to come strongly to enact laws that revamp all the swamps, all the virgin lands in this country so that they can be covered with the forest.
We'd like to call upon the government and all stakeholders and all corporate entities to join us in tree planting to regreen Uganda. Uganda is losing a lot of forest cover, it's losing a lot of green cover, and we'd like to invite you all to join us in this effort to plant trees. You don't have to plant many trees, even just one tree in your homestead is enough to make a change. Trees are very crucial, they help in the formation of rainfall. We have been experiencing long droughts, and trees are very important in the water cycle. Trees are also very important in sequestering carbon, and this is very essential to Uganda's goals at the Paris Agreement, where they agreed to reduce carbon in the environment, and trees are the best sequesters of carbon we have. So I invite you all.
Those people who cut trees, they want to burn and make their business in charcoal. We cut our trees and it causes floods, which is a danger to our lives. So with planting trees, we are trying to bring back the trees that were cut by those the people who are ignorant about environment.
Well, when forests are destroyed, we have destruction of medicinal plants and crops, because most of these crops and plants grow along, and also they provide. We have the mutuba, we have the longo, we have very many medicinal plants that actually give us medicine. Then also